I'm showing you how to make Biscoff cookie butter and caramel balls. Oh, so tasty and such a winner for me. Oh yeah, all the rage at the moment, Biscoff. These are the ingredients you'll need. I'll leave the amount of ingredients in the comments. You will need half a can of dulce de leche and half a cup of Biscoff spread in the bowl. Now I'm going to blend 1 packet of Biscoff biscuits and half a packet of Nice biscuits. That's for the balls. And Biscoff and coconut for the crumb. Now to blend the biscuits. Blend to a nice crumb consistency. Then you're going to add it to the bowl with the Biscoff and the caramel. Mix to well combine. Once all mixed together, you're going to then roll them in balls and then roll it in your crumb mixture, which is the Biscoff biscuits and the coconut. Roll like I'm doing here. So easy, anyone could do this, guys. Talk about a decadent treat. Once you've all rolled them, put them in the fridge to chill and enjoy. So tasty. And here is the end product. Cheers, guys.